Looking for your dream property? With Lamudi Philippines, house hunting just got easier. In this video, we'll show you how to find the right property in the right location, step by step. Step 1. Open the Lamudi website on desktop, mobile, or Lamudi app. First, visit lamudi.com.ph on your desktop or mobile browser, or download the Lamudi app. The platform lets you browse thousands of listings for rent or sale, from cozy condos to spacious houses. Step 2. Use the location search. The Lamudi platform features a search bar where you can find properties from different provinces, cities, and even landmarks. Simply type in your desired location and choose among the suggested locations in the drop-down menu. Refine your search by filtering based on offer type, property type, price range, number of bedrooms, subcategory, number of bathrooms, floor area, land size, amenities. On the Lamudi app, you can add multiple locations in one search, allowing you to widen your search for the perfect property. You can also specify which property type you're looking for, set a price and area range, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and add keywords. Step 3. Narrow down your search. Found a property you like? Click on the heart button on the listing to save it, or you can also inquire directly about the property. In just a few clicks, Lamudi helps you find the right property in the perfect location. Start your search today and make your dream property a reality.